Alright, what's going on, guys? It's Eric here with Silver Bullet. We're here for another install video. Today we are putting on the 67 Designs phone mount. So I have had 67 Designs products in the past. Their products are incredible. I had them in the Tacoma. I still have all my external pieces that I had from the Tacoma. I highly recommend 67 Designs. Their link is down below. Now, let's get into the video. Alright, so what you're going to need for this install is you're going to need a drill bits, screwdriver, flathead. I don't have a panel popper tool, so that's what I am using. And then 67 Designs gives all the hardware. They also have Allen wrenches in there as well if you don't have your own. Let's get started. Alright, first things first, we're going to be popping this up, which is this little panel here, and then we will take it to the back of the truck and do the install. Like I was talking about, we need to pry this up. Also to note, there are a couple of bolts down in here. I will do a lower third right here to let you guys know what size that is. Alright, the socket size is a 7mm. And there's a small little clip here for tweeter. Now, go to the back of your truck and install the mount. Alright, first things first. There's this little rubber tray that you don't need to have in there. In fact, if you ever want to try and cover up the holes, if you ever sell the truck, probably better take that out and keep it somewhere safe. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is line up to the very bottom of the tray. So closest to the driver, basically. Then what you'll do is you'll mark your holes, and then you'll be able to drill. And for me personally, I know it's not center, it's going to drive a lot of people crazy. These two factory holes here are not actually in the same spot. So if you flip it over, also you might want to keep track of your bolts. You flip it over, they're off center a little bit. So what they are there for, I don't know. Alright, so I'm actually thinking of putting this thing more towards the driver's side, and then also probably ideal if you get a Sharpie that's not black, but that's all I got around the house. You're going to want to mark all of your holes, and then that's where you can drill. Kind of hard to tell, I could see it, kind of hard to portray on camera, but I have all my holes marked. And now we're going to get the drill bit and we're going to drill them out. Test fit all of your holes. Make sure the holes that you drilled lined up with the holes for the mount. You're going to have to do a little bit of adjusting. I know I did. And also, as far as the drill bit goes, it's actually a 3/16 drill bit, but start with something smaller and then go up to the 3/16. That way the holes are big enough. Now after you test fit, take out any of the test fitted bolts, and then you're going to put on these 3M strips and you're going to separate them so that they can line up on the sides here. Okay, so you can see I have the tape on there now. You are supposed to actually cut these, put them in between, in between these areas here. Next, remove the adhesive backing and then place the mount where it's supposed to go. Alright, our mount is all secured, ready to rock and roll. Now it's time to put it back inside of the truck, and then I will show you how to put on the mounts. So, first things first, we have the ball that the carbon fiber arm will attach to. What we'll do is we will slide it on there. Keep in mind that there is an Allen wrench that is supplied with the kit, and you'll just use that to screw it on and tighten it down. So, slide it over to where you would like it to go. Tighten it down. Don't need to crank it too much, it's tight enough. We're not doing a whole lot of off-roading just yet with this truck, but we will soon. I'm not gonna go too crazy with tightening it down. And then also, this is for the magnetic mount. It comes with a metal piece that you put on the back of your phone case or your phone. And then this is the piece that stays inside of the truck. So we'll tighten that on right now. And lastly, get your phone. Get the magnet, take it out the phone, turn it over. Get the metal piece, take it out of the bag, pull off the 3M tape, and then stick it on the back. Right, put some firm pressure on this thing, get that adhesive to lock in onto your phone. Right, let's give this a try. There we go. It's on, it's solid, this thing's not going anywhere. As always, 67 Designs never disappoints. Their products are incredible. They're made to withstand anything. So yeah, I'm excited about this. I'm happy to have some 67 Design products inside of this truck. And I'm going to get the other carbon fiber arms, get my iPad in here, get the Garmin unit in here, and we'll be good to go. So stay tuned for more videos. Alright, there you go. Everything is in, rock solid. Phone's all good to go. Freaking, it ain't going anywhere. If I need to grab it real quick, just go up, grab it, that's it. Okay, that's incredible. I can't ask for anything better. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe, please like this video as well. If you have any other questions regarding this mount, feel free to leave a comment down below or hit up us on Instagram at silver__bullet and send me a message. Check us out and come along for our adventures in the future. And also, please go follow 67 Designs on Instagram, or go to 67d.com and check out this mount. I'll have a direct link to this mount on my description for this video. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks so much for watching.